Hello, this is my video for exploring resources on Moodle. First, I click on Turn Editing On and then select Add Activity or Resource. Resources are after activities and they're used for reading or watching. You can use notable files. It's a PDF file where you can take your notes. And use book. You don't upload the book, you actually create the book with more pages. You can upload a file or folder. You can use labels to insert text or media. You can import gallery, page, poster or URL. First, I'll add a book. And here I write the name of the book. Okay, book. I can write some text here and display the text. Appearance. You can use chapter formatting using numbers. Style navigation by images. And activity completion, I want the students to view it, so I select show activity after conditions complete. When conditions are met, I want them to view this activity till the next month. Okay, and save and display. Next, I want to add chapters. First, I'll add chapter 1. Okay, and then text for chapter 1 and save changes. You can add another chapter by clicking on the plus here and write the title. I will add subchapter and click on it. Write some text for chapter 1 and save changes. Okay, and add one more chapter. Write the name here, chapter 2. It won't be a subchapter, so I unselect this by clicking on it. Write text. Chapter 2 and save changes. Okay, and I'll return to topic 9. I'll add a label by clicking on the add an activity and resource and go down and select the label. And I write the label text. I write activity. Select the text. Change the text color here. Make it bigger. Okay, and save and return to course. Okay, and here is the label down. I will click and move it up and add another label. Select the label. Okay, and write resources. I could also select color, project text, make it bigger, okay, and save and return to course, and move up here. Okay, thank you for watching.